segeasy.com, and there is a video that shows you how to make one of these sleds. The sled, of course, slides in your table saw. And another important part is also in the video is a strip like this, so as you cut strips, they'll fall away from the blade and don't come flying back in your face. So this has just got some magnets in it and sits there. This is an integral part because this determines the width of the segment that you're going to cut. So the first thing you do, you take a block like this. This is maple. It's 2 3/4 inch boards that have been glued up together to form a board that's 1.5 inches thick, and this is the thickness of the segment. You glue on a block of wood right here, and of course this is just like a sled that's got it slides here, and you turn the saw blade on, turn the saw on, and run it through and cut it. So this edge is exactly on the outside of this saw blade, and of course this will slide like so, pretty easily made. There's a bolt that goes through here. There's a magnets here that hold it on the table. And this goes right there. And then you take a caliper, put your dimension that you want for your measurement, and you close this down, tighten it up. Now when you cut something here, it's going to be 1.97. Cut 12 segments. Let's get this here, and that's here. So the segments fall away from the saw blade. Just push it against the saw blade and push it away, just slightly. So the segments fall out of the way. There's no flipping or flopping of this. It's just back and forward. Push this up here, push it against the stop. These 12 segments. So that means each segment takes up 30 degrees in a triangle, which is a 15-degree cut on each side. On the SegEasy website, you'll see that there are patterns like this for sale. For example, this one right here, if you insert this here in between and close it, and it's firm, this is the angle to cut 40 segments. It's a 9-degree angle, and it's exact. Here is one that is for 16, if you want to do 16 segments in a ring, you use this wedgie. It's a 22.5 degree. So these are for sale. So for 12 segments, you don't need any of those. You don't need to buy them. You can use a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So you can open this up, put the 30-degree angle in here. There's the 30-degree angle triangle in there. Tighten it up. The idea behind the SegEasy system is that if you make a cut on this side, we'll make the first cut on this side, and we'll make the second cut on that side. So then there will be a 30-degree angle on this segment. There's the next one. one. Here's the next one. I'm just alternating. Whoops. Alternating. Looks like I might run close to it. Now, all the faces are marked, so that's all the same. I alternated the ones that are, some of them are marked on the top, others are marked on the bottom. And we put that together. I'm going to put this to on my sticky tape, and then I'm going to glue them together real quick, and I'll show you how easy that is. And put them onto the sticky tape. So I'll put this one on here, and I'll be careful lining the first one up. Try to get it as straight as I can, and push it down. And then just go after that. Put this one next to this one next to that one, and right on down the line. If these were only 3/4 of an inch thick, I'd be using 3/4 inch tape or 1 inch tape. Wouldn't use this large tape. And I tear off and leave about 3 or 4 inches on the end here. Grab your glue bottle. So here we go with the glue. My system is I just go down one side, then I come back and go down the other side because it seems like it's faster. But we'll get glue on both sides. And I'll turn and go back down the other side. Then I take my trusty glue spreader, which is a putty knife, and just kind of make sure you get a nice even coat. I use this as Titebond Original. Just buy it by the gallon. Tear this end off. Pick this up and turn it into a circle, just like so. Turn it over on its side, squeeze it together, get some glue squeeze out right here. Got glue squeeze out on all the joints. Push this tail of this tape around. And there's your perfect ring. Put a band clamp on it. So, if you wish, you can take your glue spreader and you can kind of tighten the clamp. This is a hammer drill. You can see there's a pretty good looking ring. Don't see any gaps. If you need some clean wax paper, just fold it over. And that's the way you make a ring.